Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix if you can't receive payments on Apple Pay error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm on the official Apple website. So if you can't send or receive money with Apple Cash, if you try to use Apple Cash to send or receive money and need help, try these steps. So first of all, try to receive money. So after each step, see if you can receive money. So first of all, just restart your device, just restart your iOS device and see if you need to verify your identity. So you can just type on Google Apple ID, Apple Pay identity verify, and you will get the page where you need to verify, where you can verify your identity, and make sure you meet all the requirements needed for Apple payments or receiving money. And if you see accept in the message, tap it, see if it's the first payment that you have received, or if you've turned off the setting to automatically accept payments, then you need to tap to accept the money. And then just tap on settings, wallet and Apple Pay, then make sure that you have turned on Apple Cash. And if you are asked to request a lower amount or try again later, you might have encountered a limit. Learn about the limits for sending and money. So you can just Google Apple Pay limits for sending and receiving money. So yeah guys, just try all of these steps and see if it works for you. If it does and you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching guys. Leave a like and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.